Today we hope to finish the celebration and go underground quiet.
Newly married celebrity couple Rashmika Mandanna and Vijay Deverakonda continue to dominate the internet, with fans closely watching everything from their wedding ceremony looks to their post-wedding appearances. Recently, pictures from their grand reception surfaced online, and the couple once again stole the spotlight with their elegant traditional outfits. The reception was attended by several high-profile celebrities, making it a star-studded celebration. The couple appears glamorous, exuding power couple energy in their reception looks as they opted for complete traditional outfits. Both Rashmika and Vijay chose traditional South Indian attire from head to toe. From their outfits to their accessories, the styling felt classic, elegant and deeply rooted in tradition. Rashmika opted for a custom Jade by Monica and Karishma look, a deep red Mysore silk sari with a gold border, staying true to this quintessential Indian wedding color, just as she did for the main wedding ceremony. Another highlight of her look was the jewelry. Gold jewelry was present not only in her main ceremony looks but also in her casual post-wedding appearances. It is refreshing to see the complete embracing of Indian maximalism. Often, with the rise of minimalist, clean girl aesthetic, bridal and festive looks lean towards muted palettes, delicate jewelry and understated styling. While surely they have their own elegant charm, it can sometimes dilute the actual grandeur traditionally associated with Indian weddings. Rashmika's look reminds us how beautiful and powerful traditional maximalist excess can be when done right. The red looks unapologetically beautiful while the jewelry celebrates the heritage. She chose timeless style over trendy styles. Vijay also stayed true to tradition. He wore a classic white outfit, looking suave while keeping his styling minimal with just a silver bracelet and chain. At the reception, the couple also posed with their families, all dressed in beautiful outfits and radiating joy. Rashmika Mandanna and Vijay Deverakonda tied the knot in Udaipur on 26 February in an intimate ceremony with close friends and family. Their wedding pictures made history as the most liked post by an Indian account, gathering over 27.3 million likes. The wedding beautifully blended Vijay's Telugu rituals with Rashmika's code of traditions, making it a truly special celebration.
Today we hope to finish the celebration and go underground quiet.